Dr. Gene Sloan has been a lifelong resident of Arkansas. Aside from the years he spent out of state studying to become the board-certified plastic surgeon he is today. Born in Jonesboro and raised in Hot Springs, Dr. Sloan graduated from Hot Springs High School, attended the University of Central Arkansas, and in 1985 earned his medical degree from the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences.
We were roommates back in college. We become friends, through the fraternity that we were in, the Sigtals. He knew back then what he was destined for and really where he was headed. And I think that's, been his focus for the last 40 years, and he's just been a tremendous, surgeon since then.
We met while we were in medical training in Miami. I was a third-year medical student, and I was rotating through my first surgery clinical rotation, and he was the plastic surgery fellow. I think one of the principles his professor taught him in plastic surgery is integrity. That was the most important part of his training, and I think he practiced that perfectly.
In 1993, Dr. Sloan began a private practice in Little Rock in a small shared office on the St. Vincent Infirmary campus that had just 2 part-time employees. His practice grew over the years, and in 1998 he opened Aesthetic Plastic Surgery with the goal of creating a state-of-the-art facility devoted exclusively to providing the finest in cosmetic surgery services.
I've worked with him in the operating room for almost 25 years. He has a wonderful bedside manner. He's a very caring surgeon. He's very good. I appreciate having somebody who I work with who's always going to have the patient's best interests at heart, and somebody who I know is always going to do the right thing.
Today, the facility houses his clinical office and skincare center, as well as an accredited surgery center. He has more than 10 employees who have been selected for their expertise and caring attitudes, including several registered nurses and a board-certified anesthesiologist. Dr. Sloan's practice includes facial cosmetic surgery, cosmetic nasal surgery, and some body contouring procedures. His expertise in breast augmentation, his most common procedure, has led to his participation in numerous breast implant studies. He has been recognized by one of the world's leading implant manufacturers by serving on its advisory board and being invited to its exclusive leadership conferences.
He encourages everybody in his operating room and at his office to always do what's best for the patient. And that isn't always what's best for us, but it's what's important. And, that's just the way he's always managed his business, and it's the way he operates. In the operating room, he's not concerned about keeping a schedule or time. He's concerned about what's best for that patient at that moment. That makes a huge difference for me working with him, because I know he's somebody I can always count on for that.
Dr. Sloan is a member of several plastic surgery societies, including the prestigious American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. He has held teaching positions at university hospitals, and he recently has been a Patient's Choice Award recipient, which recognizes doctors who consistently receive top patient ratings. Friends and family describe Dr. Sloan as disciplined and dedicated.
He's just a man of high moral character and ethics. And that's who I want to be working with. Gene, congratulations, you deserve it.
Gene, I just want to tell you, you are most deserving of this award, and for all your work and effort and everything through the years. You've made a big difference to a lot of people and everything. I'm super proud of you, and I love you, man.
Gene, I am so excited that you received this honor, and we, the family, are all very proud of you, and most importantly, I know your parents and Dr. Millar especially will be very proud of you, what you've done to the community, to your career, and to your patients, helping them feel their best, and always being honest with them. I thought that was one of the first things I fell in love with you. You actually taught me how to suture, and you were always patient and spend the time and all the time that it takes with your patient and with your family, and I think that's a very special trait that you are so well deserved of this honor.
Congratulations to 2018 Distinguished Alumni Award recipient, Dr. Gene Sloan.